Hi, I'm Carrie Stacy, and this is Business Bites. Bite-sized tips for business owners so business doesn't bite you. Congratulations for taking the time to learn more about how to be even more successful in your business. Warren Buffett says the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Today, you'll leave knowing why the most important word for business owners is no. And at the end, you'll have the confidence to say no, knowing you're doing the right thing. Humans are by and large hardwired to want to help others, to want to be liked. It keeps our society going. But sometimes this natural programming isn't all that helpful. Let me give you a couple of examples to illustrate my point. I once met a small dealer, and he was also a gifted technician. He'd do most of his own wrenching, and he'd work late into the nights. For him, thanks and a feeling of appreciation was all he needed. It made him feel really good. So he never charged anybody for his help. He struggled with credit and money problems constantly, and ultimately it cost him his family. How about this one? Do any of you feel like every cause comes knocking at your door for donations? And most of them are meaningful and worthy, but it's just simply impossible to support everyone. And last, what about that employee who's just never happy with the wages you pay them? Yet we constantly hear happy employees are the most important thing. Remember from the last episode, we noted that some owners, as owners, we have a duty to many other people to ensure the success of our businesses. If you put the health of your business first in every decision, you're ultimately helping those people who want something from you now. Saying no to the raise may mean the employee has a paycheck next month. Saying no to everyone who wants a donation means you can help some people well into the future. And again, saying no to the discounters and charging a fair price that results in a sustainable organization means you'll be there to serve those customers next time. The key to using the word no is how you structure the no. Just a frown and a no will mean your customers and staff both leave. But what do you do when you get taken by surprise by the ask? It always seems to happen when you least expect it and you don't have a ready answer. Instead of feeling obligated to answer right away, have a ready response, such as, let me think about that and I'll get back to you by, give them a date and stick to it. Make a habit of giving yourself some time to think. Deferring a response gives you time to consider the ask relative to your organization and craft a thoughtful decline if necessary. A kind, considered, polite response is the key to maintaining relationships in your business and in your community. We all want to say yes to every request, but the most successful owners are those that can confidently do what's right for their organization and say no when necessary. Meanwhile, leaving the other person feeling like your response was reasonable, even if it wasn't the one they wanted to hear. So know that saying no is the right thing to do when it's the right thing for your business. Join us next time on Business Bites and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Bye for now.